First is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity. So today we will discuss two more adjectives. So first one is adjectives of number. So first is adjectives of number. So you all know you use number to count anything. If you want to count something, so what you will use? You will use the numbers. So what are adjectives of number? Answers the questions of how many things or people. So adjective of number gives the answer of question how many. So how many means kitne. So whenever the question how many comes, answer comes in numbers. तो जब भी हम how many पूछते हैं तो how many का आंसर क्या आता है? In numbers. 1, 2, 15, 13 like this. So he got the first position in the class. So here position is noun and which position? First position. So here how many? The answer of question is how many is first. So first is the number. What is first is the number. Okay, cardinal and ordinal numbers are there. So first is the number we are using to describe noun, that is position. So first position. So first is the adjective of number in the sentence. Second example is two boys are playing. So here how many boys? Two. So question how many arises? कितने बच्चे? So you will give answer two boys. So how many boys? Two. So two is the number of boys. What is two? Two is the number of boys. कितने लड़के हैं? Two boys. So two is describing the noun boys. Boys को number two is describing and making the meaning very clear. So this is adjective of number. Now next is possessive adjectives. So possessive means होता है ownership, possession. So adjectives that are used before nouns to show ownership. Ownership, you all know that something belongs to someone. किसी की कोई चीज. Like this is my ID card. This is my ID card. So this ID card belongs to me. किसका है? ये मेरा ID card है. So ID card is a noun. It is the name of a thing. ये वस्तु का नाम है और ये वस्तु किसको belong करती है? And it belongs to me. और ये किसकी है? मेरी है. So my pronoun is used as possessive adjective. So my word क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर? My word क्या कर रहा है? ID को describe कर रहा है कि ये ID किसकी है? मेरी है. So my ID card. Okay. So my word is possessive adjective because it is showing the ownership of this card. इस card की ownership को show कर रहा है. So first example is this is my doll. ये मेरी गुड़िया है. So this doll belongs to me and my is describing the doll. So my is possessive adjective. It is our school. It is our school. So here our is possessive adjective. किसका स्कूल है? हमारा स्कूल है. And this school belongs to all of us. हम सबको belong करता है. So we will use our. Oh, you are our as possessive adjective. School is noun and before noun we are using our to describe school. School को describe करने के लिए we are using our and it is showing the ownership. ये word क्या So first sentence is, I saw an ugly bird in the garden. So here ugly bird is describing the bird. And which kind of adjective ugly is? Ugly is adjective of quality. That how the bird looks. चिड़िया कैसी दिखती है? Ugly. So adjective of quality. This is the quality of the bird. How it looks? It looks ugly. Next is, the book consists of 80 pages. So whether 80 is adjective of number or adjective of quality, it is a number. 80 is a number. So you will write adjective of number here. Adjective of number. So pages you will count. So how many pages? The answer is coming 80. Question is how many? And answer is 80. So 80 is number. Next is, it was an interesting story. So how the story is? It is interesting. So interesting is adjective of quality. Next is, Kanta is a wise girl. So how the girl looks? Wise. She looks wise. So it is also the quality. Quality of a girl. Adjective of quality. And it is describing, this word is describing the girl, and girl is noun in the sentence. Next is, the little girl is standing alone. Again, girl is noun, and how is the girl? Little. So little is quality. Little is quality, not a number. Next is, Jane has one brother. So brother is noun, and which word is describing brother? One. How many brother? One brother. So one is number, adjective of number. Now next is, there are 3 fruits in the basket. So how many fruits are there? 3 fruits. So 3 word is describing the number of fruits. So 3 fruits. So again 3 is adjective of number. Now the last sentence is, Aman is a clever boy in the class. So boy. How the boy is? The boy is clever. So it is the quality of boy. So you will write adjective of quality here. Adjective of quality. Because it is describing that how the boy looks or how the boy sounds. The boy is clever. So clever word is adjective of quality. So these were the sentences, exercise 7.2 and question number 8. So now rest of the exercise I will explain you.
Now exercise 7.3 and the question A is, fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives given in the box. Now in the box there are some adjectives and you have to choose the appropriate one and you have to fill it. So first sentence is, my mother gave the beggar 1 rupee. So rupee you will count. So you will write the number 1. Second is, my brother is an engineer. So my brother, possessive adjective my you will use here. The brother belongs to me. So my you will use. Next is, the Taj Mahal looks beautiful on Purnima. So how it looks? The Taj Mahal looks beautiful. So beautiful is adjective of quality. Taj Mahal is noun and you will write adjective of quality. Fourth is the king rode on a white horse. So horse, the color of horse is white. So you will write white, adjective of quality. Next is he is an honest man. So how the man is? Man is honest. You will fill honest. Next is her maid servant broke the window pane. So now you will write her. Her is possessive adjective in the sentence. Maid servant is noun and before noun we are using her as possessive adjective and her is showing the ownership. Uski maid servant, her maid servant. Next is the good items were sold. The good items were sold. How the items are? Items are good. So good is adjective of quality. What is the quality of items? That is good. Next is there was heavy rain yesterday. So how is the rain? Rain is heavy. So heavy is adjective of quality. Next, ninth is we should wash our hands before we eat meals. Our hands. Hands belongs to us. हमारे हाथ हैं. So we will use our. Our possessive adjective. Last is Dhoni is an excellent cricketer. Excellent. You will write excellent word here to describe cricketer. So cricketer is noun and before noun we are using adjectives. So excellent is adjective in the sentence. Now the question is second. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences and pick out the nouns or pronouns. Pick out the nouns or pronouns they describe in the space provided. So what you have to do? You have to choose the adjectives in the sentence, that which word is describing the noun and making the meaning clear. So you will underline those words and you have to pick out the nouns also. Nouns or pronouns they are describing और जिन noun और pronouns को adjectives describe कर रहे हैं, you have to write that nouns or pronouns in the given space. Now first sentence is Ricky looked handsome in a red shirt. So red word is adjective because red word is describing the shirt, the color of the shirt. How it looks? It looks red in color. So red is adjective in the sentence and it is describing the noun shirt. So you will write shirt in the given space. Next is she bought a new footwear yesterday. So how is the footwear? Footwear is new. कैसी footwear है? New. So new word is adjective because it is describing the footwear and footwear is the noun to which adjective is describing. जिसको adjective describe कर रहा है. Third is our school has a big playground. So playground is noun. So you will write playground in the space and how the playground is? It is big in size. So you will write underline big. Fourth is we like the cool wind in summer. So how is the wind? Wind is cool. Wind is cool. And it is describing the noun wind. So wind is noun and cool is adjective in the sentence. Now fifth is people wear white clothes in summer. So clothes, we are describing clothes in the sentence. Clothes is noun and how the clothes is? Cotton. So cotton is adjective in the sentence because cotton word is describing the noun clothes. Next, sixth is my father was in good mood. So mood is abstract noun. You all know abstract noun we can't see, neither touch. So mood is abstract noun and good word is describing the mood, that how the mood is good, because moods are different, sometimes good, sometimes bad. So good word is describing the mood, quality. Next is Suchitra got the first prize. So this is first prize, first adjective of number. Okay, adjective of number. So first is adjective and prize is noun. You all know cardinal numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and ordinal numbers are first, second, third, fourth. You got positions every time. So we write first, second, third. These are ordinal numbers. Eighth is New Delhi is a big city. So city is noun. And to describe the city, we are using the word big. That how is the city? City is big. So big is adjective and city is noun in the sentence. Ninth is I eat raw vegetables. So vegetables can be cooked also, raw also. So this is the quality, that how the vegetable is. The vegetable is raw. So raw word is describing the vegetable. So raw is adjective and vegetable is noun in the sentence. Now the next sentence and the last is the cow is a useful animal. So in this sentence, how the animal is? Animal is useful. So animal is noun and the word useful is describing the noun animal. So useful क्या कर रहा है? Useful word animal को describe कर रहा है and it is making the meaning very clear. और उसकी meaning को वो और ज़्यादा clear कर रहा है कि animal कैसा है? Animal is useful. So these were the sentences of question number B, exercise number 7.3. So I hope you all have understood this chapter. The adjectives. So adjectives are the words that describe a noun or pronoun. It describes nouns in terms of color, size, shape, number, kind also. So in the examples also I told you the colors, size and shapes, numbers and kinds also. So kinds of adjectives are adjectives of quantity. So quantity you all know, the adjectives that show the quantity of things, जो मात्रा को बताते हैं, that how much the thing is. And adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality answers the question that what kind of person or what kind of thing is. कि किस प्रकार का व्यक्ति है, किस प्रकार की वस्तु है. So adjectives of quality answers the question of what kind or quality of things and persons. Like wise, clever, brave, these are all examples of quality. Beautiful, honest. Next is adjectives of number. So adjective of numbers gives the answer of question how many. संख्या में कितने हैं? 1, 2, 15, 50. See, these are all numbers. Last is possessive adjectives. So possessive adjectives, you know, that show ownership, that the thing belongs to someone and showing possession. Like she is our sister. वह हमारी बहन है. So हमारी word से आपको क्या पता चल रहा है? You will come to know that our word is showing ownership of sister. Sister की जो ownership है कि किसका हक है sister पे? Our, मतलब वो हमारी है. So our word is showing ownership or possession. Like their, your. These words we use to show possession. My, his, her. Like this we will use possessive adjectives. So now this chapter is completed and you all have to do your work in book and complete it. So we will meet you soon in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.